First order of the day, $9, 5 miles, Uber Eats. In today's video, I want to see how much money I can make with the gig apps and make some gas money. I'm going to fill up my tank first. Gas is $3.09, so we winning right there. And I want to see how much I can make and put it towards my gas tank for the day. Next order on the tally, Uber Eats just sent me this. $6.03 for 7 miles. That's Starbucks. I think it says Starbucks. Look, either way, we not taking that. We only take orders that's at least 2 to 1 miles to money, unless we trying to trap some surge or do something like that. So no sir, that's the second order. It's like 9:21 right now. I just got my gas at Sam's Club. I might go home and eat some breakfast if they don't send me nothing else good, because I left out the house at like 7:30 with that shopping order. Then we got that Uber Eats order. They made us 25 bucks to put 25 in the gas tank. Now we sitting on Freddy. We sitting on full. And if Walmart want to send me one more order, I will do that. But if not, it is breakfast time. I'll go home and eat some breakfast. And I just got a nice little shopping order. $11. I think it said 2 miles on this one. This is a perfect example of why Walmart Spark is better than Doordash. We go in here and we finna shop for 2 bottles of Diet Pepsi. And that's it. 2 bottles of Diet Pepsi. And I'm finna get paid $11 to drive 2 miles. I'm about to walk in here, grab these Pepsis, scan the, self-checkout, and I'm out. I'm gonna be in here 2 minutes. The Pepsis are literally right by the self-checkout. And I'm gonna make 11 bucks to do that. It's nice when you get paid a decent base pay. Let's go ahead and get this done. I hope I get more shopping orders. If not, I'm finna head up to the other Walmart and get some nice curbsides up there. This is the world we live in. You can order 1 Diet Pepsi through Walmart Plus and have it delivered. This is going to a business. So it's a customer who's at work and they needed a Diet Pepsi. So they opened up the Walmart Plus app. They probably got free delivery. They ordered 1 single Diet Pepsi. And now I'm finna bring it to them. And I get paid 11 bucks for them. And 11 bucks for it. And guess what? I ain't mad at all at it. I ain't mad at all. I'm just amazed. This 1 bottle of Diet Pepsi costs $2.38. That's how much this bottle costs. I don't know how much Walmart's price is wholesale, but let's just say it's $2 for Walmart. And they make 30-something cents in profit or whatever it is. They in turn
at the light, turn right onto Illinois 159 North, then use the left 2 lanes to turn left to stay on Illinois 159
Economically,
North.
Hey, I would do this all day long. Do it make sense? It don't gotta make sense as long as it make money. All right, guys, so we made it to our delivery location. Somebody need 1 Diet Pepsi. Oh, it's a learning academy, okay. Sam's Club is right there. We just got $7, 1 mile, round robin. Sam's Club pickup, 1 customer. You know what? I'm not passing that up. I was contemplating driving to Wood River Walmart to get some Spark orders out there. I didn't get a round robin for this Walmart right here, which is the one that I'm like, literally, I can throw a rock at it. I'm so close to it. But it's all good, though, as long as we get something. And 7 to 1 miles to money ratio is great. So, look, we right here. That's Sam's Club. Let's head on over. GRUBHUB just sent the offer, $8 and some change for 5.8 miles at My Pizza. That ain't even a bad order. A lot of the orders they send me be merchants that's really far away. That one ain't bad, but I'm not gonna take it because I got something way better right here on Sam's Club. Plus, My Pizza's kind of slow. We ain't got time for that. Yeah, I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but GRUBHUB just opened up a slot right here for this 11:30 block. So I think that just changed up my plans. They just sent me another offer, $7 for 4 miles at McDonald's. I declined that one too. But now that they offered me a block right here in my area, and I got a strong 2 hours to work this block, I'm gonna go ahead and switch gears, and I'm gonna try to do my best to just stay in my little bubble, stay right here in my little area, because I was ready to drive to a whole nother Walmart that's 10+ miles away. But now that I got me a little schedule right here for the next 2 hours at least, I feel confident that at least I have a better chance of making some money with GRUBHUB too. And if I get an order at this Walmart, that's perfect. Sam's Club is coming through with a couple orders to keep the wheels rolling. And then I always got Uber Eats too. So we're going to see if GRUBHUB, Uber Eats, and working Walmart right over here is going to work out for me. When you work in these apps, you got to be flexible. You got to be able to adapt at a moment's notice. And once I saw that this schedule opened up, I said, you know what? I think I might need to switch gears because this is an opportunity now to make money easier. I almost forgot. Whenever you go to Sam's Club, you got to remember that it's like a 75% chance that either you got a ghost order, they ain't going to be able to prepare your order because they system bagged up. I remember one time I straight had to go in Sam's Club and shop the order myself just so I can go ahead and get it and be gone. Yeah, so they told me that they too bagged up in the system and that they not going to even be ready to release that order until like 4 p.m. It's 11:45. What I'm going to do? I had to cancel it, man. But you know what? I'm not about to let that ruin my mood. It pissed me off a little bit, but I got an UberEats order, $7, 3 miles right up the road up here at Qdoba. So we finna go do that and keep these wheels rolling because at least the associate came out quickly and told me what was going on and I wasn't sitting there waiting for a long time. So at least there is that, because there's been multiple times where I sat there for 30 plus minutes and then they told me, after servicing all the other customers, they told me, you know, the order don't exist. So at least we ain't in a situation where I wasted a lot of time. I was only there for about 4 or 5 minutes and they came up and let me know. So you know what? I'm gonna look at the silver lining and I'm gonna keep my wheels rolling. All right, well look at that. At least Qdoba had theirs ready. Perfect. Boy, don't you just love dropping off the schools? I'm leaving this mug right at the front. Yep. I hope you enjoyed that video. Look, I do not like delivering to schools, but I understand sometimes, you know, we gotta do that. Principals, secretaries, you know, lunch ladies, janitors, they all gonna be ordering on these apps too, so it comes with it. But in this video, I wanted to show you we can use these gig apps to sometimes hit some smaller goals. My goal for that shift was to just make some gas money. I filled up my gas tank and I was able to use UberEats, Walmart Spark, GRUBHUB, everything at my disposal to make that gas money back. And sometimes it's as simple as that. And I'll give you another example. Even right now, as I'm making the ending to this video, I just grabbed me a $6 steak and shake order, came in on UberEats, and that's perfect because now I get to fill my gas tank back up. So look, if you're enjoying these videos and you also use these gig apps to make a little side money, do me a favor. Not only hit that like button, not only hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell as well, and consider checking out some of these other videos in the future.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.